Alsandakayala, long beans curry. Lobia ki sabji. Let's make a healthy, protein and fiber-rich curry. Welcome to my channel Madhura Smriti. Cook healthy, eat healthy and stay healthy. Take 500 grams of long beans, that is Alsandakayala. Wash it, cut and remove the sides and chop into required size. Pressure cook for 1 or 2 whistles, or you can steam cook. I'm using rice cooker along with the vegetable to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 red chilies. Once they are spluttering, add 1 onion sliced and 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. Add little salt to speed up cooking and fry on low flame till onion turns to light pink color. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder, mix well and add the cooked beans. Stir fry for about 5 minutes until oil gets separates. Long beans are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals including vitamin C, A, folate, potassium and iron. These nutrients are important for maintaining a healthy immune system, supporting healthy vision and promoting heart health. Rich in fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Fiber also helps to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Now, oil getting separated, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix well. Fry for about a minute and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of grated fresh coconut and mix well and enjoy the long beans curry as a side dish with rice, roti, chapati. Long beans have a low glycemic index and controls the blood sugar level, rich in flavonoids and other compounds which have anti-inflammatory properties and fights many diseases and also potential cancer fighting properties. High levels of antioxidants help to protect cells from damage caused by the free radicals. Try this healthy recipe. Please share with your family and friends. For more healthy and interesting recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.